Okay, so a single-phase half-wave controlled rectifier supplies a resistive load that draws an average current of 1.62 ampere. If the converter is operated from a 240 volt 50 Hz supply, and if the average value of the output voltage is 81 volt, calculate the following parameters. Okay, so first we calculate the firing angle. So pwede natin gamitin yung formula na VAV equals Vm over 2 pi 1 plus cosine alpha. So yung Vm natin dito is yung 240 volt is ita-transform pa pala natin yan, no, sa peak voltage kasi normally pag ang pinag-uusapan natin is rectifier, no, is yung source niyan is AC, no, alternating current or sinusoidal, and normally naka RMS yan. Okay, lalo na pagka mayroong given na operating frequency na 50 Hz. So laging naka RMS yan, no. So kailangan pa nating convert sa Vpeak or Vm. Okay, so ang conversion natin ng RMS, kung nalimutan nyo na, to peak is Vm over square root of 2 or Vpeak over square root of 2. Okay, so yung 240 volt times natin ang square root of 2. So 2 pi 1 plus cosine alpha. Yung average output voltage natin is given naman, no, 81 volt. Okay, so calculate natin. 81 times 2 pi 240 divided by square root of 2 minus 1. So our cosine 60.03 or 60 degrees na lang, no? Okay. So, ito yung sagot natin for letter A. And for letter B, meron tayong given na current, an average current na 1.62. So, average natin is 81 over R. So, ang load resistance natin is 81 over 1.62, 50 ohm. Okay? Next, letter C. May tinatanong sa letter C. Letter C, RMS load voltage or VO, Vout RMS. So, equal yan sa Vm over square root of 2 square root ng 1 over pi, pi minus alpha plus 1 half sine 2 alpha. Okay? So, ganun pa rin, 240 square root of 2 over 2 1 over pi minus ano yung ilalagay nyo dito, no? Is it naka-degrees ba siya or radians, no? Obviously, kailangan yung i-transform yung 60 degrees sa radians. So, 60 times pi over 180. So, ilan ba yan? So, 1/3 or pi over 3 plus 1/2 sine, dito pwede nyo nang gawing degrees na lang. Sine 2 times 60 degrees. Yan. Okay, so 1/2 sine 2 times 60. Pwedeng naka-degrees mode kayo, no? Basta make sure pag naka-degrees mode kayo, yung nasa loob ng argument is naka-degrees din. Of course, kung ilalagay nyo dito is pi over 3 sa loob, no? So, halimbawa, 2 times pi over 3. Kailangan naka-radians mode kayo dyan. Radians mode. If ang ilalagay nyo is sine 2 times 60 degrees, kailangan naka-degrees mode. Okay? Simple concept pero marami pa rin nagkakamali dyan, no? So, huwag kayong magkamali. So, yan. I-complete natin. 0.5 times sine 120 pi minus pi over 3 answer divided by pi square root times 240 times square root of 2 divided by 2. Ang sagot is 152.21 volts. Okay, so ito yung output in RMS. Okay? Tinatanong ko ba yung current in RMS? Okay, so kailangan pa rin. So madali lang, no? I-divide ko lang to ng 50 ohm. So, 50. So, 3.04 ampere. Okay, so madali lang, no? Next, yung ripple factor. DC power pa pala. Hindi pa pala tayo tapos, no? So, parang nagkamali ako ng letter. Tama ba? Okay, tama naman. DC power or PDC is equals to VDC or VAV times current DC or IAV. So, meron naman tayo yan actually both 1.62 tama ba? Times 81. 1.62 ampere times 81 volt. So, ang sagot natin sa power ay 131.22 watts. Okay? Next, F. Yung ripple factor natin, formula natin dyan is Vout Rms squared minus VDC squared over VDC. So, yung RMS natin ay yung nga ulit yung sagot natin dun, 152 squared. Squared minus 81 squared divided by 81. So, complete natin. 152.21 squared minus 81 squared divided by 81. 1.59. So, walang ano yan. Walang unit. No? Kasi factor. Factor value. Okay? So, yan. Madali lang naman, no? Direct substitution. Kung paikot-ikutin man kayo, more on substitution algebra lang, no? Ito lang yung medyo critical dyan, no? Yung radians saka yung degrees mode, no? Wag kayong magkakamali, no? Kasi pag nagkamali kayo dyan, of course, yung final answer nyo is magkakamali na rin. And ito pa pala, itong alpha or yung firing angle natin dito sa expression na to. Okay? Baka kasi yung iba nagmamadali, no? Kulang na sa oras magsagot, ang ilagay 60 degrees na lang. Hindi po. Never po tayong nag-add or subtract or any operation ng isang number at saka ng isang naka-degrees, no? Laging naka-radians po lagi. Okay? So, yun. Yun, sana may natutunan kayo and as always, thank you for listening and God bless.